Hi, my name is Jason Edwards. I work at Marinex Boat Sales in Aurelia. We're a Grand Inflatable boat dealer. This is the new Silverline 370NL. Key feature for the 370 Silverline NL is nice lightweight, 250 pounds dry boat weight, 450 pounds with your boat, motor, your gas tank, and all your supplies. Grand's 370NL has lots of storage space and cockpit space. Lots of walking around room. Up in the front bow locker here, you can store your anchor and rope. Underneath the midship seat here, your battery box, your safety gear, life jackets. And underneath the rear seat here, lots of room for your external gas tank, life jackets, fenders, lines. You could even put a big 25-liter tank in there. The accessories on this boat are running lights. You got nice grab handles up front here for holding on when you're in the front. A nice midship cushion here. Nice backrest, nice and comfortable. You can stretch out, relax. Lots of seating, very comfortable. You got your two stainless steel lifting eyes here and here. And the most important key feature on this boat is the overpressure relief valve. One of the only boats out there that has it. You go back to the back here, you got a nice grab handle here for support, a nice high windshield. On the console you got lots of room for your speedometer, tachometer, you got your 3 marine switches, your horn, your lights, bilge pump, a 12-volt outlet. You got your control box over here with your cabling running down nice and neat underneath the floor, and you got your battery switch on the side. All your cabling for your engine runs through this side here, all hidden nice and tidy. You got your one-way valve, drain valve at the bottom there, your bilge pump, and you got your running stern light here. A nice feature of the Grands is the fiberglass step ends. It's a nice elegant touch to the boat, and it's nice and easy boarding, getting in and out of the boat from the water. This is my friend Lisa. She's here to help me with the boat today. This boat is rated for a 30 horsepower max. The 20 horsepower Tohatsu power tilt works perfectly on this boat because it's a nice lightweight engine. Now we'll show you how this boat runs. back, it's a great performing boat. Lanes nicely with 2 people in it. Nice lightweight, great for a dinghy for the back of your boat. It's one of the lightest in its size for a center console for a 12-foot dinghy. It can also be used as your cottage boat, your family boat. Go on little tours with your family.